Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can easily put a like on any post in Instagram app. Please friends, put your likes below this video. Also don't forget to write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get into this topic. First of all, I recommend each of you to check if you have your Instagram updated. To do this, you will need to go to your device. If you have an iPhone, then the App Store. If you have an Android, then it's Google Play. Go to any of these apps, then find the search page. Enter the word Instagram into the search box, and then open Instagram. And if you have the word update, like I do now, then you'll need to click on refresh. Wait for it to refresh. This will actually take a little bit of time, about a minute tops, and then, friends, 100%, you'll have notes on your Instagram, and you'll be able to comment or like them. But how do you do it, friends? Well, for that, you will need to open Instagram, and then you're gonna have to swipe down to the messaging side. And here, friends, at the top, above all of your conversations, you'll see notes that may have been left by your friends or people that you're following. And in order to like a post, you just have to double-click on it, just like an Instagram post. Just like that, just a quick double tap. And as you can see, the like is already on the post. And if you friends, you accidentally put a like on it or you change your mind, then it's very easy to remove it. To do this, click on the text of the note at the top. You will see a window like this. And you will need to click on this heart to remove the like. So in this very quick and quite so simple way, you can easily favorite a note in the Instagram app. I hope this video has been useful and helpful to you friends. Please don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.